The government is set to formally seal on February 3 the 48,000 rupees crore deal to procure 83 Tejas light combat aircraft from state-run aerospace major, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Air Force, officials said on Wednesday. The mega contract will be signed at the Aero India Air Show in Bengaluru in presence of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, top brass of the IAF and senior officials of the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Tejas is a single-engine and highly agile multi-role supersonic fighter, capable of operating in high-threat air environments. The Tejas MKI will be equipped with an active electronically scanned array radar, beyond visual range missile, electronic warfare suite and air-to-air refueling system. Russia's state arms exporter Rosoboronexport said it will display a model of the Prima anti-stealth radar at Aero India 2021. Prima high-mobility 2D surveillance and acquisition radar was developed and manufactured by Nitel and NPO Almaz. The solid-state radar is based on modern hardware components and digital signal processing and generation technology. It features high energy potential and increased immunity. The radar is designed to detect, track, locate and identify air targets of various classes and types as friend or foe in both jamming and clutter environments, take the bearing of jammers, and feed radar data to users' automated command and control systems. The Prima radar operates in the VHF band and is capable of detecting any aircraft, including stealth ones. Its range coverage exceeds 320 km and elevation coverage is up to 45 dg. The minimum detection range is 500 meters. The developers have introduced a number of technology solutions to ensure the radar's operation in a jamming environment, difficult terrain and in adverse weather conditions. The radar automatically detects and tracks low-speed and low-visibility targets in a clutter environment. Russia's Kalashnikov may have marked the first international sale of its STRELA 9333 guided missiles systems to India. Surface-to-air missile STRELA 9M333 guided missile system is designed to defeat low-flying aircraft and helicopters as well as remotely piloted aircraft and cruise missiles. The fire-forget missile has 3 modes of seeker operation: photo contrast, infrared and jamming, which is its most important advantage over other missiles of this class. The new warhead is heavier than its predecessor with the weight of 5 kg as opposed to the 3 kg warhead of 937. The accuracy and the probability of target hitting are increased due to a bigger detonator buster, and the special section of its submunitions.